In the world of technology, data drives decision-making. But when your data is scattered across various platforms, managing and organizing it becomes an uphill battle. Switching between Google Sheets, Excel, SharePoint, and more isn't just tedious, it's disruptive and can hinder productivity and stifle innovation. That's where Glide comes in. Glide is a no-code app builder designed to transform the way you handle and harness the power of your business data. It's not just about streamlining. It's about supercharging your workflows with intuitive internal tools. Glide can connect with your data wherever it lives by integrating with a range of data sources, whether it's Google Sheets, Excel, SharePoint, BigQuery, MySQL, PostgreSQL, and more. Glide's got you covered with one-click data syncs. With your data in place, you can leverage Glide's drag-and-drop interface to build custom apps that fit your business needs. Plus, you maintain full control over app privacy, ensuring secure access across users and devices. With AI capabilities built in, Glide lets you do more than just view and organize your data. It allows you to transform that data into meaningful insights, enabling efficiency at scale. In IT, where efficiency and innovation are paramount, Glide provides an unparalleled advantage, a powerful blend of data management and no-code app development. Ready to unify your data and create efficient business rhythms? Step into the future with Glide. Begin at glideapps.com and experience a new era of data management. Like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.